My experience with truth. Truth has endless path. Our knowledge about the truth is limited. Sometimes we need a revival for the self to get energized. Whatever may be the object, either family, society, or the self, everything needs a reconciliation. Sometimes the ongoing process of life will be very slow and we can feel the absence of God or the truth. Even for great scholars and spiritual leaders, to get recognition falls apart. This surprises a lot to me, but you can get a reply only from the Creator. One best known person is our Mahakavi Subramanya Bharati. He was not recognized properly on his time. He struggled a lot for the survival. His duties towards his family was denied due to lack of funds. This cute poet from South undergone so many hurdles and encountered life with great pain. Though life on earth is temporary, any life that ends up without serving its purpose is meaningless. This dimension of life has many patterns and passions that may deviate its way of happening. As a tiny part of matter, I am negligible to realize the goal of this game. Sometimes in life, I feel truth, whether it is really testing me or punishing me, because those events will be so rough to handle, but it will leave a bookmark at the end, making me to regret for the wrong interpretations. Our vision about this universe or the truth is limited. In this journey of life, try to visualize this world in different angle and perception, and try to gather rewardless experiences in this period of youth with so many interrogation and self-realization that will boost up your confidence level to walk courageously in the path of darkness. As a conclusion, my vision about this truth is very limited, and the choice is given to us to choose the events to be performed or not. So please have a clear and justified actions, because life will respond as per our responses towards it. Thank you.